Hey guys, this is Kevin at Watchhimtrade.com. Today's date is April 19th, 2015. This will be a video chart on WUBA, W-U-B-A. And the first thing I gotta say about this stock, before I even talk about the chart, is what a awesome ticker this stock has. I mean, just say it. WUBA. WUBA. It's like Musa, you know. So, number one, I just love it right away because of how awesome that ticker is. I always feel like the stocks that have the sexy ticker names are more likely to make cool moves. You know, like Apple's got a cool ticker, Netflix has a cool ticker. Anyway, so just throwing that out there. But so let's look at this thing. Awesome move this past week. Big rip, big time volume. You went from $50 on up to $70. So a very hard rise and awesome liquidity. Great stock to be day trading if you're trading shares, and the options are probably pretty liquid too. But anyway, so looks like you're at multi-month highs. I want to look at a weekly chart, see if you're at all-time highs. Yes, you are. You are a new issue, IPO'd in 2013, and you just broke out of a 1.5 year base between 40 and 60. So this thing looks pretty good to me, intermediate to longer term, just when looking at that weekly, and the daily, of course, same thing. So a couple observations. Number one, your daily ranges are incredibly wide here, as are your open to closed range. You opened 63s, you closed 70s. Your low was 63, your high was 73. That's on Friday. On Thursday, you opened 64, you closed 67.50s. Your low was 63s, your high was 69s. So there's a lot of activity here these last few days. So I want to look at a 15-minute chart. All right, so pretty active first 15 minutes of the day on Friday. Not as active on Thursday, was more of a trend. Same with Wednesday, and same with Monday. So, man, I mean, you've just got awesome activity going on the upside. Probably has some news catalysts out there or something. I haven't done any research myself. But at any rate, so from Tuesday through Thursday, you kind of had this level around $68, kind of marked as resistance. But then Friday, you popped above it, came below it, but then ended up closing back above it. So $68, that's the level that I'm watching for pivots here, right now, day trading wise, to start this week. Watch your $68 level. Above 68, I'm looking for a test on 73. Above 73, you can target a 75 breakout. Below 68, looks for a test on these lows between 65-ish and 64. And then below 64, you've got this low here from Wednesday that was at 61s. All right, so below 64, target 61s. To me, I want to see 61 to 60 offer solid support for the intermediate week-to-week type setup. Above 60, I think you can be buying dips on this thing. Back below 60, and you are giving up too much of this move, in my opinion, and you set up to come on down towards 55 to 50. So, levels to watch, nice and simple. $68, first one for your pivot. Hold 68. I think you test 73 to 75. 73 to 75 is your resistance. Above that, you're making new all-time highs, going up towards $80. Below 68, you look for a test on this 65 to 64-ish range, your lows from Friday. Below that, you look for a test on 61 to 60. 61 to 60 is the critical level now moving forward from a more intermediate term perspective.